After a tenant reports a maintenance issue, it can sometimes feel like nothing is happening. Updates may be infrequent, timelines can feel unclear, and decisions often happen out of sight. In reality, most maintenance requests follow a fairly consistent process. The first step is review. The issue is assessed for urgency, safety, and impact on essential services. Missing details may need clarification before anything moves forward. Next, responsibility is confirmed. Landlords need to understand whether the issue relates to normal wear and tear, damage, misuse, or a system failure, because that affects how the repair is handled. Once the responsibility is clear, the repair can be planned. This usually involves checking contractor availability, access to the property, parts or materials, and any required approvals. Communication happens alongside this, but updates can take time, especially when external parties are involved. Delays are often caused by practical constraints rather than inaction. Access issues, waiting for parts, or contractor schedules can all slow things down. When tenants understand this process, expectations become more realistic and frustration drops. Clear processes lead to fewer follow-up messages, better communication, and calmer outcomes for everyone.